Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to clear cache in Chrome on Android. So make sure to stick around to the end to succeed in doing this. So we're going to open our Chrome app and at the top right corner we have the three dots there. We're going to tap on it. We're going to select delete browsing data. Now it's going to take us here and we're looking for cache. Now we have cache images and files, so the box is ticked. But if we want to only delete that, we need to uncheck the other boxes. So we've done that. So if we tap on delete data, it's going to delete only cache images and files. However, you want to go to the top right area where we have all time. This determines how far back you'd like to delete your cache. If you'd like to delete it for all time, of course, you can leave it at that. But if you want to delete it for the last 4 weeks, 7 days, or the 24 hours, you can select any of these options. But say we want to delete it in the last 15 minutes and not all time, we can select that and click on clear data, and we have all these other options show. Basically, these are the sites that Chrome detects might be important to you. If you feel you need to still delete it, you can go ahead and click on delete, and that will delete your cache. So this is how to clear cache in Chrome on Android.